Third time's the charm. Hello everyone, this is React COD, here with another Airsoft review. This time we have the Crosman Mossberg, then there's some numbers, pump action shotgun. This shotgun is another one of the Walmart type shotguns that you can get there for $20 to $25, mattering on where you live. So this shotgun, it was my first shotgun. It's very nice. I got it about 7 months ago, and it still works to the extent that I think it was made to. And pretty much the shotgun, its pump action doesn't have the best FPS, but it is fun for indoors. Now, the shotgun does come in different models. I have seen it without the pistol grip and just a longer grip. Some holes, indents right here. I've seen muzzle flash or something right there. And sometimes it doesn't come with this type of rail, but it comes with a black rail. So let's get on to the pieces and parts of this shotgun. So let's get over the pieces on this. Right here, we have a bolt safety. This just seems like an easier way out of the safety. Right there, when I pull the trigger, you can see the mechanism inside to release the whatever. Right here we have the magazine release. The gun doesn't have a magazine. It's not a loading shell by shell something. This is so awkward to put in. For some reason, you just push that. Doesn't want to work for me right now, but hey. Here. Okay, back to work. This is the pump, which I'm not going to pump now because I look like a wuss. And this is the orange tip. Now, if you were to spray paint all of this, you'd still have to keep the orange tip. It is, by law, you have to keep this orange tip in the United States of America. In other places, you can't. Here in the grand old US of A, you have to take it off, or you will die. Tragic death. I'm just kidding, guys. But, anyways, yeah. So, let's get on to the magazine. For the magazine, I wrote Mary on it, because that's his name. And this is also Harold. But, that full magazine in there. See some 12-gram BBs. And it holds about probably a dozen or so. And then inside, just one more. So, I say we get, oh yes, when you push it in to here that little release thing, it pushes 3 bullets inside the magazine, so it's already ready to shoot. Holy fuck. Still. Alright, so I say we get on to the shooting test. Alright, so this is our target. Set this down right here. And since this is a pump action shotgun, for every shot you'll have to pump it. Believe it or not. Alright, so first shot. Oh yeah. Also, when you think that you're out and you have the full thing, always hold it upside down and cock it. And you just keep doing that. You should be able to do it 3 times. Now again, to reload, you just have to put your finger on. Put your finger on here. Straightforward. And just load the magazine again. So I'll shoot this last magazine and finish up. Alright, well, that was the Crosman Mossberg, a very good starter shotgun, and please don't be afraid to rate, comment, and subscribe to my team channel, Kamikaze Gaming. You still don't have anything up yet, but a nice quick teaser trailer is up. So thank you very much, and hopefully we'll have some more airsoft reviews on soon. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, yeah, but this is the target I use. It's a nice little, like, bam, bam, pudding tam. Alright, that sounded really gay. See ya.